custom cup from the show Wicked, full of tea, and I will be unboxing, well, re-unboxing a pump. I already got a quick look at it, nothing looks broken, but I will be attaching some quick fittings and giving my quick thoughts about this pump. Let's get started. So, first, I already unwrapped it from the bubble wrap, so you don't need that. But this pump actually looks pretty crisp for what I paid for it. I paid about 50 bucks on Amazon for this because I needed it quickly. And it's got the D5 pump and a small reservoir here. Got my handy dandy ruler here so you can see how tall it is. It is about 4 inches tall. It is plastic, but that is fine. It's 50 bucks. Let's see. It does sound like this is metal though, and they have a heatsink for it as well. So that's pretty nice. Comes with an installation bracket. Okay, not bad. A card. It does come with some extra O-rings. They just kind of came loose. Got some screws. Some more mounting screws. Imagine these are in case I want to mount it this way. I'm not sure. I'll figure that out in a second. And then a cable. And that is all that comes in that box. It's just for fun. Okay. This looks like it's to power the RGB. I can hook this up to this. There we go. That sounded like a click. And then this and this can be powered by the same thing. And then it's got that is a very odd connector. Alright. Real quick, for some reason, it's got 1, 2, 3 holes, and I understand not coming with fittings, but it didn't even come with a cap to plug the extra hole that doesn't stay capped in the system. Luckily, I had an extra cap from one of my other builds, so hopefully these match up. We'll see in a second. I just have a very basic black metal G1/4 fitting, and I will be lining this up. This is the out, I will use this one. Oh, that's the end. Okay. There we go. I've got that capped up. And this does, the blacks do match really well actually. So I got gold there. But yeah, so that's the quick look at the pump. Next look will be me lining it up with the system once I read the instructions.